Do you see it?
They assumed our people were selfish. That were told of the difficult problems, the tough choices, the complicated solutions that they would simply turn back. That they would decide if
Where I go now? You know what? In case someday I need to make this for a living, I need to have a flexible body. Okay, you can pull out and see me then. Pull out? Okay. Okay, that's how the plumber does. Okay? You pay them 80 bucks, it's worth it. Okay? Oh, you pay me 80 bucks.
Let me be clear to the American people tonight. Here's what we believe as Republicans and what they believe as Democrats. We believe
Okay, I loose, I pull it out, I tighten it so I can continue to grind all the way in. Can you believe this? It is probably 20 feet in. Probably more than that.
I need the light. You can put the light on.
Okay, can you see it? I tied a knot here so I can hold the cable. But this thing is kind of heavy. And I keep turning so that thing will keep find a way in and push. And push. How much more? A few more.
our seniors are not selfish.
Okay. That's it.